Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying from your literature book First Flight, chapter number 4, from the diary of Annie Frank. We discussed yesterday that this is true events. The story is true events in the life of a young girl. Her name was Annie Frank. She was a Jewish girl during World War II. Hitler's party, Nazi party from Germany, had killed millions of Jews. He hated Jews. And Annie Frank's family, to save themselves from the Nazi operations, hid themselves. They went into hiding from Germany. They went to the Amsterdam, Netherlands, where Annie Frank with her family members went into hiding in secret rooms in her father's office building. For about 2 years they lived in hiding, and somebody then deceived them, betrayed them. They were arrested. And there in the concentration camp is a type of prison jail where the bad situations, dirty bad situations, conditions, Annie died there only at a young age of 16 with the disease typhus. Her elder sister Margot also died there. Only one survivor, Annie's father, was alive. After the war ended, only one survivor of the family, her father, Otto Frank, survived, and he came here in this room, his office building. He found pages which Annie had written about their conditions, 2 years, how they lived. Total 8 members, 4 members from Annie's family, father, mother, Annie and her elder sister, and 4 friends' family, 4 members from 8 members living only in 2 small rooms. All the tough, difficult times she had described in that diary. Annie's father published in Dutch language. She had written. He first published diary in Dutch language. After some years, this diary was published in English. And when this diary was published in this international language, English, people from all over the world read this young girl's diary, and she became so famous everywhere in the world. Now we are going to study the chapter. First, I am going to read the first page. Then I will explain this page in simple language. What is written, I read first. Writing in a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because I've never written anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it doesn't matter, I feel like writing, and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Paper has more patience than people. I thought of this saying on one of those days when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was, brooding. Yes, paper does have more patience, and since I'm not planning to let anyone else read this stiff-backed notebook, grandly referred to as a diary, Unless I should ever find a real friend, it probably won't make a bit of difference. Now I am back to the point that prompted me to keep a diary in the first place. I don't have a friend. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. And I'm not. I have loving parents and 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I'm with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary, everyday things. We don't seem to be able to get any closure, and that's the problem. Maybe it's my fault that we don't confide in each other. In any case, that's just how things are. And unfortunately, they are not liable to change. This is why I've started the diary. To enhance the image of this long-awaited friend in my imagination, I don't want to jot down the facts in this diary the way most people would do. But I want the diary to be my friend, and I am going to call this friend Kitty. So students, first page I have read. Now I am going to tell you this story in very simple, easy words. Annie Frank writes in the first page of the diary that this diary writing is a strange experience, new experience for me. She says that this diary writing was a type of strange, new experience for her. There are reasons for it. Reasons are that she thinks that in future, when diary is complete in future, she would not be interested. Only 13-year-old young girl, not so matured, she has written the diary, so she herself would not be interested to read the thoughts of an unmatured girl. Only 13-year-old schoolgirls, about only 30-year-old schoolgirls' thoughts in the diary. Neither she would be interested, nor other person would be interested that this small child child's in reading the diary of the small child's. But she says that it makes no difference. My heart tells me to write a diary. She said that it is her heart's desire to write a diary. And also she wanted to take out all the burdens from her heart out. She wanted to make her heart and mind light by taking out some burdens from her heart and mind. She says that a famous proverb saying, paper has more patience than people. It is a famous line. The line says that paper has more patience than people. It means we can tell anything to the paper, good, bad, anything we can say. It will not speak a single word. It will not criticize, not react, just like man. Just like man, paper does not make any reaction. It will not react, good or bad. Anything we write on the paper, it would not react, just like man. So this is famous line. She said that she was thinking of this statement of this proverb just then, during the times when she was feeling a little sad, depressed. She was sitting at her home with her chin in her hands, feeling so bored and tired. She was thinking what she should do. She should sit at home or go out. Finally, she did not go out. She lived at her home, and She accepted really paper has more patience than people. She said that since then she desired to write the diary, and she said that this stiff hardback notebook, it means diary, this hardback notebook she told diary, and she would not give this diary to read to any person till she get a real friend. She would give this diary to read only her real friend, not all persons she would give it to read. It makes no difference for her. Now she says that the important thing she would write in the diary, and the important thing she wanted to tell, that she did not have a real friend. That's why she wanted to make the diary her friend and wanted to share all her good and bad feelings with those feelings with the diary. Now she clearly says that as she had already told that she was alone in this world. But the reality is that, she said, the reality is that I'm 13-year-old, I'm alone. No, it's the reality is that she said that she was not alone. She had loving parents, and a 16-year-old sister, 3 years older than her, 16-year-old sister, and about 30 people in her family whom she could call friends. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.